Just got it done at the Menards. Got Ryan the stuff to fix his truck.
Fix my pick-em-up.
His pick-em-up. Oh God! So much torque! Torque! Oh my gosh!
Chevy power.
That's Chevrolet power, boys and girls. Look at it.
Sponsored by Mountain
Got some war.
War.
Connectors.
Like, hey, we got some butt connectors.
He said butt.
Did you make that a video, bro? Getting the snow.
Like, is it going to change your toes?
Yeah, like
Toes.
curl up.
Totally. Look at that beard. Everybody, embrace that. That is, oh yeah.
I damn near like a fucking thing of steel wool.
Yeah, it is. That beard back there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get in there.
Get all that feces all over the camera.
Took it back.
Can't see. That's how we spend our Saturdays. Oh God damn it!
Come on, I want to see you dance, boy. Dance, roll back on.
Take the wheel. I can't do it sit down. I just can't.
To be honest, I took the wheel and wasn't even looking at the road. I just did. So guys, this is Luke's truck. Already got the Mad Crew banner on it. Gold. He's doing the black and gold theme on his truck. So something that we're going to do, and he's got 4 already, but we're probably not going to do it in this video. We may or may not. So, you know, you'll see what happens as it goes along. But he's got a leveling kit for it. So as you can see, these trucks have a ridiculous amount of rake in the front compared to the rear. So that leveling kit should put it up just even with the rear, and it's gonna look pretty cool. What do you think about it? What do you think about it, Luke? Pretty excited about it. Yeah, it's a rough country. I think it's like 2-inch leveling kit. So just little spacers that go in between your struts. And it'll be pretty cool. My dad got the same kit for his truck too, so there'll be a video on that when we do his. Alright guys, this is the problem. You can see right there where that hole in his trailer hitch is. There was a bunch of different grounds that actually connected right there. And what would happen on Ryan's truck is always have a starting issue, and once you would get it started, it would like about ready to die. Or it would cut out and all that stuff like that. So we were able to actually start the truck and like shake it back and forth like this, and it would make the truck cut out in and out. So we started checking a bunch of wires and like fuel pump stuff and fuel related issues, and we finally figured out back here that that ground right there was actually not making good contact at all. So what was actually happening was when you would shake the truck, it would, you know, make contact and not, and back and forth. So basically we're just getting some wires and putting them all, make it all nice again. So these wires had some corrosion on them and stuff like that, and guess what? He's gonna have a good running truck. So just what we're doing right now. Sorry I sound like I'm sick, because I am, so.
Just rethreading the hole so clean out all the rust so we have better ground.
Like rethreading that whole boy.
Alright, Laney boy. Run us through what we're doing.
Okay, we took these 2 wires that were connected up here. There was like a million splices and just this much wire. He's got to run up over here to that ground I showed you earlier. So we just got some Crimson Seal butt connectors on these, heat shrinking them over, making sure they get good and sealed tight. That way you don't have another ground issue in the future.
Neat.
Good to go?
Well, I don't think that back one's sealed up.
Getting our surfaces all cleaned up.
Now it's okay when that string goes black, right?
You actually just touch it.
Ow.
I think it does that for battery preservation.
Yeah. That's a blooper there, Luke.
Huh?
That was a blooper.
That was a blooper.
A blooper.
Pooper?
Yeah.
All right.
A pooper.
All right. Let's give her a shot. Give her a whirl. Give her a whirl.
Here's your camera still rolling.
All right, buddy.
All right, hold on. Go ahead. All right, hold on. Where's that wire
Which one?
for the like that?
It's kind of a cut up video, but we've been just trying to diagnose and figure out, because as you can see right now, we got 4 wires going to this ground. As you can see, there was one that was over here on the frame, and there was one that was just dangling around. That's what was kind of causing his issue. But Luke had the great idea of that when we would touch the one wire that was dangling around, it would touch the exhaust. We're compensating for another ground that's actually messed up. So he was like, well, maybe we need to look at an actual engine ground that's on the block. So we got looking around, and take it where's that? There was actually a ground strap right there that should go to the block that was actually snapped in half, and it was still good ground. So what we're doing is we're just taking a wire, grounding it there, and then we'll ground it up here on the alternator bracket. So I hope that kind of makes a little more sense on what we're kind of doing. So it's just kind of all over the place, just trying to figure out what's really going on with this thing. But so. Guys, so as you can see, we just now got this fixed. As you can see, this wire right here, that's running down to right there. So the block is being grounded to the frame. As you can see, shake the truck all you want. Doesn't spit, fart, sputter, anything. There's Linda! 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 Linda!
She's the Mac Crew model.
There.
The only girl in the Mac Crew that you need.
Yeah. Much rock and smoking.
Man, look at that, man, right
That's called
there.
shit duty.
That's a husky man right there.
Ew.
He's just going,
That's the thing about one.